Hi, I'm Rich Torrey. Welcome to another Level Up Cartooning. All you ever need to follow along with me is a pencil and paper. It doesn't get any easier than that, right? This week, we're drawing a couple of famous lions linked forever due to a bit of a controversy. On Wednesday, we drew Kimba, the white lion. Today, we're going to be drawing Simba in his cub form for the 1994 Disney classic, The Lion King. So what is the controversy I've been hinting at? Well, there are enough similarities between Tezuka's characters and the storyline in Kimba and Disney's The Lion King to have critics accusing Disney of borrowing, if not outright stealing ideas from Kimba. In both Lion King and Kimba, their fathers are murdered. In The Lion King, the main villain is an evil lion named Scar, who has a black mane and a scar over his left eye. In Kimba, the main villain is an evil lion named Claw, who has a black mane and a scar in place of his left eye. Both Scar and Claw's henchmen include spotted hyenas. Both Simba and Kimba's circle of friends and advisors include wise, sage-like mandrills and birds. There are even early pieces of concept art for The Lion King that depict Simba as a white lion. So was Lion King partly based on Kimba? It's a fascinating question that I don't have the definitive answer to. I encourage you to look into it. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. In the meantime, we have a lion to draw. But before we get started, make sure you hit the thumbs up and the subscribe button, as it helps this channel to grow, and hit the bell so you never miss a lesson. Okay, so let's draw Simba from Disney's Lion King. We're going to draw Simba step by step, giving you the secret formula to be able to draw him again and again. If you've watched any of my other videos, you know I normally use the character's head to figure out how big the entire character is. In this drawing, Simba, just like Kimba, is just over 2 heads tall. In other words, however tall his head is, his entire body is a little over 2 of those. And he's 2 heads wide. Okay, so let's start with a roadmap for Simba. So there's our roadmap for Simba from The Lion King. Now we're on to step 2. In this step, we do what I call roughing out the features. I want to remind you that until the third and final step, you want to draw as light as possible. You'll see that I use guidelines to help you to know where to put Simba's eyes, muzzle, mouth, and some of the other things. We don't want those guidelines in the final drawing, so you want to draw them light enough to be able to erase them easily. Okay, so let's rough out Simba's features. Okay, so there are the roughed out features of Simba. So now with the roadmap done and the features roughed out, it's time for the final step. In step 3, we get to have fun. We get to draw Simba's final details. We don't have to guess where to put things because we've already done all the hard work to figure that out. In this step, it's okay to draw darker, but don't press too hard or mindlessly retrace over the lines you've already drawn. Always draw with an eye on tweaking and improving until the very end. So let's draw in the details for Simba. Alrighty, there he is, from Disney's Lion King, Simba. So how do you think you did? Understand, if you've never drawn Simba before, you cannot expect to have drawn him perfectly. He's not easy. You'll notice I don't spend time coloring Simba during this video because I want my lesson to focus solely on the drawing process. Now you have the secret formula, the process for drawing Simba. And with that, you can draw him again and again. And by all means, color him when you're done. I promise each time you draw him, it'll be a little better and a little easier. I also promise the more you work with me, the better you're going to get at all of your cartoon characters. For those of you who want to go a little deeper, click on the link below for my free 4-part drawing series, where I spend more time explaining the details and the thinking behind each step in what I call the level up cartooning process. So I'd love to see your drawing of Simba. If you can, take a picture and post it on either Facebook or Instagram, and don't forget to include the hashtag #LevelUpCartooning. I hope you had as much fun as I did with our little lion controversy this week. Remember to subscribe, and thanks for joining me. Until next time, keep drawing, my friends, and Hakuna Matata.